So this is where we're at. Bubs, let me see your finger.
No, back up.
Let me see it.
No, because you're gonna be like, it makes me wanna throw.
Guys, let me see it. So Trez and I are
Back up.
getaway. We're at the urgent care because, bro, what? Let me see. Yo, what happened?
Some people fighting, baby, it was something real, but the truth that they are hiding.
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. I think, how did I start the vlog? I think I started the vlog with me at I went to the urgent care with Trez, my son, because he had a swollen finger that something happened in gym and we went to get that solved. So I think that's where I started the vlog. I was supposed to vlog that afternoon, but that happened. We went there, so now I'm here. But welcome back to the vlog. I don't even look like it's not giving, but you know what? This is the real uncut raw of who I am. So it's basically, it's like 9:30 in the night and I'm doing like a major declutter of my closets. I have so much shit, you guys. It's like, it's insane. But yeah, I'm just doing that because I want to just honestly see what I have and see what I want to move forward with in 2023, what I want to part ways with. So far, I don't want to part ways with a lot of things. Because half the shit is not even worn, like, but I've made major progress. You guys, if you haven't checked out my Amazon video, you need to, because oh my god, those vacuum sealer bags, bitch. Listen, for a sister that has a lot of shit and just want to rotate clothes or whatever, or put away some that you're not using now, bitch, this is my entire summer wardrobe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bags summer wardrobe, and half of them is stuff with like from 15 to 20 pieces max. I have another one that I need to fill, but that shit is a lifesaver, bro. It's on Amazon. Check that video out. But yeah, I'm just doing some decluttering of my clothes. I look like a bum, bro. Like, I'm dead in. I'm recording on my phone, guys. Like, I switched it up. I'm recording on my phone. I feel like I just want to use my camera for like sit down videos and shit. So I'm not gonna be walking around with a big camera. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. It's 9:30. I'm practicing going to bed early, so I'm not gonna stay up past 10:30. I have an hour where I have to get washed up. Yeah, because I wash my ass before I go to bed. And yeah, go to bed. So I'm pretty much gonna do that. And then tomorrow I gotta work, so you guys won't see me in the morning. This is a partial weekly vlog. Like, yesterday was Monday. Today's Tuesday, actually. And yesterday was Monday. We had a holiday. Big up to Martin Luther King. It was MLK Day, so I was home. That's when I started my decluttering, and it was just too much. I had a wash day, all of that, so I didn't want to do the most. But yeah, today's Tuesday, and today I went to work. Tomorrow I go to work in the morning, so I'm pretty much gonna catch you guys in the afternoon. I think me and my mother have to go somewhere, so but yeah, I'm gonna finish all this shit so I could go to bed, because it's not giving at all. But good afternoon, guys. It's me and my mom. Say hi.
Hi. Oh, Jesus, I have promised
To serve thee to the end. Be thou forever near me, my master and my friend. Go, gal!
Guys, I'm in Dollar Tree with my mom. She came for some stuff, but I'm looking at like stuff for my students, like stickers, and I saw these really cute book rings that I think will be good for this activity that I have. You guys know that the Dollar Tree has like a little school section. I'm digging it. But for now, this is where we are. Totally random, but I like these little whatever they are. I don't know. I feel like they're for like gardening and shit, but I really do like them. I think they're so cute, and they would just go with something in your home. I'm not gonna buy them because I don't need them, but they're cute. I can't get a piece of rice for them.
No. You want me to taste stink?
I can't get a piece of rice for them. I can get some corn.
No. Go buy.
Yeah, I'm current too.
Oh, where money?
Great. We're just pissing in my cab. Come out there, Jack. Come out there. Come out there. Good morning, guys. Welcome to the vlog. Good morning. Good morning. Timestamp. If you see that the let me hold it. The camera is shaking. It's because I'm driving. It's now 6:58 a.m. and I'm on my way home. I have a nail appointment for 10 o'clock, so I'm trying to make it home in time for that. I'm quite far, so yeah, it's gonna be a couple hours before I get home. But welcome to the vlog. I don't want to be vlogging and driving. Welcome to the vlog, and I'll see you guys when I get home. Hey guys, so I'm home right now, finally, but my nail appointment is about to arrive soon. Oh my gosh, guys, I have all these stuff here to do. My Amazon haul. I also have a perfume haul from this company coming soon. Oh my gosh, I'm tired. I just drove like 2 hours and 45 minutes home, but I have to do some shit today. I'm tired. I really want to relax. I wonder if I'm gonna get copywritten from this jazz music. So jazz it helps me to relax, so that's why I'm listening to it. But let me just get my nail appointment done, and then we can actually get the day started. Good morning. Oh my god, you guys, I just want you to know that I lost my voice, and it's been giving weak immune system since December, like, and it's so crazy because I take all my pills and whatnot, like vitamins, etc., and it's giving weak immune system. But yeah, I have the OD sore throat, and that's why I haven't been really filming. I still sound terrible, but the show must go on, and I'm not gonna strain it so much. But I'm about to go outside today. I'm gonna film an Instagram. Oh, I said that so corny. I'm going to film an Instagram reel before I go outside. I want to start my Instagram reels with the outfits, so don't forget to follow me on Instagram at HoneyBB. Same thing. But yeah, this is fresh on the wake up. I'm just about to get out of bed, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. Say good morning to the vlog. Good morning, guys. I lost my voice. Welcome back to the vlog. It's mommy and me. We're doing a daily vlog today because for the week I've been battling with my throat and it's not getting better, so I'm gonna do a daily vlog. It's me and mom. We're going to go.
I don't know.
We don't know where we're going, but we're going, bitches. Now we at the train station, so I'm not straightening my voice today, so it's gonna be short clips, baby, short clips. But I'll see you guys in a little bit. We're in the New York subway station. Hey, now come here. We're in the New York subway station. Yo, you hear my voice, Jack? Say hi. Now, we our morning has just been waiting on trains and shit. So we're just waiting on the train to get to wherever we're going. Oh my gosh, I'm not trying to straighten my voice because it's giving. Do y'all like my outfit? Do y'all like her outfit? See, I think some wood. I have cherries and they're not plums. I have cherries and no, because you're saying that, give me another or something on them. Anyways, I mean, the subway is not giving us 30 and it's not giving so. Guys, we're on 34th and we went into Sarah's, right? And why, Mom? I saw this really cute outfit and it can't fit me. Julian, tell him wallaby. I'm so fat. I'm so fat, bro. Like, I'm a big puta. Julian, wallaby.
I don't care.
Yo, we're on 34th. Which one? The one at the Mansfield must smell like nanny. Oh my gosh, my YouTubers don't even know what nanny is. It's not a good word, guys. Guys, I'm trying not to film inside of stores because I got copywritten on my last vlog and it's because of all the music in the stores. So if you see that I'm just taking videos, putting music over it, I hope that works out. When I get home, I'll tell you guys if I got anything, obviously. But for now, yeah, that's what I do. I gotta tie my shoelaces. Hold on. After a long day, we're heading home. We're on the train. I know you guys didn't see much, but that's because, like I told you guys, I keep getting copywritten every time I video inside of a store because of the songs that they play. So, and it's basically we went shopping, and that's it. But Mama Love. Oh, my phone is charging, guys. Mama Love. And yeah, we're heading home. Hey guys, so I'm home. It was freezing outside. I'm so happy that I'm inside. Yeah, but I'm gonna end the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed the bits and pieces of my week. It was kind of chaotic, kind of chill, kind of me recovering, but I hope that you guys enjoyed the small content that I delivered, and I will see you guys in the next one. Next one will probably be a sit down video. I won't be vlogging as much until I get my voice back, so yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed seeing a lot of my mom in the videos. And if you are not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. You've gotten this far, it will really help me out if you subscribe to my channel. Also like the video, let YouTube know that you like my content, let me know that you like my content, honestly, because I just want to create good content for you guys. Ooh, look at that bad mama jama. But anyways, yeah guys, follow me on all social media platforms. Everything is under Honey BB, and with that, I'll see you guys in my next one.